Well, got this TPO on. Cut about 40 foot of this to give me some play. Man, it's hot out here. It's time to get a water break or something. Dang, hold up. I ain't even gonna lie though, it is hot. For real. Let me walk you around this real quick. So that's what it's looking like so far. I don't know, but I'm gonna get this water break in. Take me a 15-minute break and get ready to put this glue on after I cut one hole for the shower area. But y'all stay tuned to the next one, y'all. Peace.